All right, let's get to Meg Tirrell now and get an update on all things coronavirus related. Meg.
Hi, David. Well, we're specifically looking at Italy today because we had seen a couple days of new case numbers there and new daily death numbers in Italy declining. And that spurred a lot of hope that this might be turning a corner in that country. Here we have, looking back to the end of February, Italy's new case counts and new deaths. And you saw on Saturday what looked like could be a peak at about 6,500 new cases that day and 795 deaths. However, we did see that start to tick back up again yesterday. So I've been talking with epidemiologists to say, can we read anything from these numbers? Do they actually tell us anything about the effect of the lockdowns in Italy? And can we extrapolate that to what we're seeing in New York and in the United States? Now, the message from epidemiologists is it's probably too soon to tell. University of Minnesota's Dr. Mike Osterholm telling me he's looking for at least 2 weeks of these data to kind of even out any changes that we could see in testing and the workload coming from Italy. They put their lockdowns into effect basically at the beginning of March. March 8th is when they started locking down the northern provinces. March 9th, the entire country. Harvard's Bill Hanage telling me he's looking for 4 weeks from those lockdowns to start seeing the flattening of the curve. Now, if you look around the world, what we're hoping that we can start to try to look like is these Asian countries, South Korea, China has managed to flatten its curve. Japan has a more flat curve. And we've got a great graphic here to show you what those look like. Our Nick Wells and Data made this. Those horizontal lines is where we want to go. But unfortunately, the orange is the US, the red is Italy. Hoping to move toward a flatter curve, but we are not there yet, guys. In terms of New York, I'm still looking for a few more weeks to see if things start paying off. And of course, the pace of new cases here just rising rapidly. Jim and David.
Yeah, thank you, Meg. Of course, we're New York is the epicenter right now. We certainly are hoping that things will flatten as soon as possible. Thank you, Meg Tirrell.